everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make a bar graph in Google Sheet. So first open your Google Sheet and enter your data. Now in the first column list the categories and in the next column list the values for each category. Next highlight the data you want to include in the chart and after that go to the insert tab and click on chart. Now to change the pie chart into a bar chart, go to the chart editor and change the chart type from pie chart to bar chart. If you want to customize your chart, go to the customize tab and here you have to click on series. If you want to change the color of the bars, then go to the series tab and as you can see here there are lots of options available. So here you are able to change the color of your bar. Now once you are done with editing, you are able to drag it and move it anywhere in the spreadsheet. Now once you are done with adjustment, adjust your chart and that's it. You have just created a bar graph in Google Sheet. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.